Hello guys, my name is Hamza. I'm from Codex Solution. Today I will show you how you can automate your YouTube Reels from a template which can run daily, and you can automate on your Facebook, Instagram Reels as well. So this is I am using Make Monday, and then Zapier. This will be help of using Make and Zapier because there is no direct integration with the YouTube and Make, so we are using Zapier to implement that. So the process is that here is my YouTube Monday board, so in which all of the quizzes, like it's like a quiz. I can just show you first our demo video, like how the output should looks. So you see that. So this is actually the template. So yeah, see. So then the output, and then if I go back here, so these are the questions, these are the answers, and quiz video status, and then a video link for each platform, and the hashtags. This will be by the OpenAI. We are using that, and YouTube status, and then Facebook status, and Facebook Reel, Instagram status, and then the date posted. Okay, so I dumped all of the quizzes. You can create it from the chat GPT, asking it to create a quiz questions related to your niche, and then dump all of them here, and then you can set all of the status to create a video. So what on the backend side, so it runs daily at 8 a.m. in the morning, and take one record from the Monday board, which have the create video status, and then upload it using template on create mode. So here you have to sign up on this platform and go to the templates, and then you can, there are built-in templates. This is the built-in template I choose, and then I modify it according to my need. So if I you can see that these are all the dynamic variables. You can fill it by the API. So if you go to questions, and if I see that here is the option to set it dynamic. See, so as long as you set it to dynamic, you can fill it by the API. And if I see that, so the question comes background question, and then the timeline month, and then here it comes the answer. Okay, and this is the template, as this will be replicated by our question and answer. So if I use template, and then if I go to API integration, then you see that this is the template API call, and all of the stuff I will show you in the make side. So here first is that it runs at it runs, let me run it, and and then I will show you how what are the setups. Okay, so if I run it and we will check it if we have it on our YouTube, and all of the stuff run once. Okay, so it take one record, it get the item, it, if I go to here, a video in progress, as soon as it start, and when the video is completed, it will post a link. um, let's see how the progress is going. Yeah, so the template is API call is done, and 202, so which means that it has sent that template request to create a video for us, because there is a delay of like 20 to 30 seconds, because it renders the video, and which take times, and then I'm calling the OpenAI to give us the tags related to the video description according to the quiz questions, and then we are using it for Facebook, Instagram, and as we don't have YouTube, so it will pass the webhook to the Zapier, and where we are getting the columns, and then uploading a video on the YouTube, and then changing the status to done as well. Okay, so if I go back here to Monday side, video created, so as you can see that I have a video created. If I click on that link, it will give me the video. Okay, see. Now if I go back and see if any of the video is done, so this is the tags it provides. And okay, Facebook reel is done. If I click on this one, it will give me the reel video. Here you go. So it gives the video of it. Okay, and same likewise, if I go to Instagram, yeah, Instagram is done too. Okay, so it's posted on the Instagram as well. The video quality, you can see that the video quality is not good, because of that we are using the free version. So if you go upgrade it to the pro version, they have the very best video quality, because I have used it for one of my client. and it will be posted on the date posted when all of that is done. I hope it's done on YouTube as well. Yeah, YouTube. See, so it is posted on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. And if I go and go back to shorts, because the video is less than 1 minute, so it goes to the shorts. Now I will go because you see that I will show you how to change the template. Okay, so in this one you can see that I have changed the template, but it is not implemented on the API side because I didn't change the request of the URL. So here is the, so it takes the record and get all the quiz questions, and then we are here I am using switch condition because I have different backgrounds. Here I can just randomly creating one of the background, and then for now I am using the static one. So if I go here and I can show you, if I go use template and API integration, so this is actually my URL, and I can go here, and if I open it, oh, sorry, I think I didn't copy it well. Okay, it's wrong. Okay, fine. What's going here? Let me make sure I'm copying the right one. Right click on it, copy. Actually, let's go to, okay, you can see that this is actually the video that is going on the background, and you can change the video here. You can change anything on your template here. So if I go to the, this is actually the animation video. Okay, so this is the video, this is the video, and click on it and it will replace media. As soon as you replace media, it will give you new link when you use the template. Okay, it can be changed directly. If you have any public link of the video, you can directly put it on your API side. So here let me change it. If I can change this one, so you can see that I'm just putting, making sure that it will use this one. Then I have to format the JSON structure of the API. And if I use here, if I use template, API integration, so this is my JSON structure, template ID, modification, this is the background URL that I have to pass, this question, then answer, and the title. Okay, so a background URL here, question, answer from coming from the Monday side, and the title I'm just replacing a special character that is coming from the Monday side because it does not take that, and it's changed to and question and answers, and then it's fine. So title goes to title, answer goes to answer, and question goes to question, and this is the background. Okay, then I'm calling the API. So post request authorization, everything is from here, and then the JSON structure that we have aggregated. Okay, and then if the status is 200, which means that video is created, then we change the status on the Monday board that we have videos in progress, and then there is a sleep, and then we are passing it to chat GPT. They give us the best tag related to the quiz, question, and answer. Okay, then it is providing the tag, then it will go to the different routers for it will post on the Facebook. Okay, so the title of the OpenAI and the output. Okay, message content, and then same goes to Instagram. Okay, so the data URL is actually Instagram is taking the output URL. So this is the output URL of the video, which will be this one. In this case I can show you data and URL. Okay, so this will have the MP4 video, and then we are sending it to Zapier. So just we are sending just the Monday board ID, and when it goes to Zapier, we have webhook here, which we are passing the data. It captures the record, which is the Monday board ID. Then we get a record values, and then we upload a video with the tags, title, and description, and this is the link of video, and then it will change the status to done. So when it is posted, it will change the status to done for every YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. And I can show you for here, when the video is posted on Instagram, just in case if we got any error, so it will push the status on Monday that we got the error, so it will not work, which is I have changed the status to stuck, which means the video is not uploaded. There must be any error on that, so that each morning you can just take a look to your Monday board and see that, okay, which was done and which was not done, and what was the issue. Okay. And then I'm getting the URL of the Instagram post and then pushing it to Monday board and change the status to done. Now I have changed the background, so let's test it again. Okay, so now it will take the new record, this one, video in progress. Okay, this will be the how you visualize progress charts, and then we will wait for the video, and it will push the hashtags, because there is a delay of 30 seconds, so it take a time. Now you can see that how you just have to set up the template. You can have a crazy ideas to set up the templates based on quiz and quizzes, based on daily facts or whatever you want, and then you can automate this stuff. Plus now you're if you some guys are thinking how we can push it on the TikTok as well. So if you want to push it on TikTok, I believe you can do through Zapier. In the Zapier, you have to get the buffer account, and then you have to integrate buffer into your Zapier, and then you can push the same video to your TikTok account as well. Okay, and then you see that now the video is created. Okay, and it is posted on Facebook Reel. So let's check Facebook Reel. Yeah, so you see that the background is now changed. Okay, and the text goes to the text side, and title goes to title, and the answer comes after this one, and here's the answer. Okay, so same goes to Instagram Reel. Fine. Okay, and same one for YouTube. I believe the YouTube is done too. Yeah, YouTube is done too. Okay, now it is posted on all of the platforms. You can have it on your TikTok as well, or any other platform that you have for social media. What you can extend is that instead of pushing it to here, you can have a chat GPT assistant which can create the quiz and answer at the runtime, and then you can post it on your different social medias. Let me know if you have any questions, if you like the video, if you have any question, if you want me to have any other video for a special ask, like if you have anything related specific that you're thinking that can be done, and if it can be done, just push me in the comments, and I would love to help and answer. Let me know. Thank you, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a great day, guys.